Hi, this is Joe with Technical Prospects, coming to you again with another tech tip. Today we'll be discussing how to access and identify what version of software you have. So now we're going to discuss how to access your software version for your ICS and your IRS without entering the service homepage. We will go to Help, About Siemens, and it tells us here our software level, which is VA 44, and also a service pack, which is Service Pack 1. So I'll close this and I'll show another way as well, which will show us in more detail of what we have. We'll go to Options, Version, and if we go here, you'll see we have much more detail of our software versions, which also includes the software version for our IRS as well. ICS, VA 44, IRS, VA 44, Service Pack 6. It even tells you when it was created, and also your control system and your service packs and updates as well for the rest of the components throughout the system. And we'll also discuss your Windows Service Pack. These are two ways you can identify your software versions without accessing the service home page. And for more tips like these, please check out our website and visit our resources tab for more videos and tips like these.